I want to talk to y'all about my top 5 tips for staying healthy. Hey everybody, welcome in. I'm Tentacle Tech, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're not actually going to be doing a workout today. I want to talk to y'all about my top 5 tips for staying healthy, okay? Number 1 is finding what motivates you. So everybody has something that drives them, and it could be different for different things, but I've personally found that if you can find sort of an anchor, something that you find motivates you in other areas, oftentimes you can use it in other areas. So like for instance, for me, my big motivator is Birdie. I can sort of like put Birdie in my mind for different scenarios and situations, and sort of use my desire to please Birdie to drive me to do what I want to do. And letting Birdie know about that and letting her be a part of that is really actually like beneficial for our relationship. So that's number 1, is finding what motivates you. It's going to be different for everybody, but find it and just use the heck out of it. Just hold on to it and let it launch you into greatness. Number 2 is starting small. So as human beings, just as the species we are, we do not like big changes all at once. We like little, tiny, incremental changes. So the best way to start, whether it's working out, whether it's eating healthier, whatever it is, the best way to start is very small. So like for instance, when I started working out, the way that I started working out was just 5 minutes, just like 5 minutes a day. I just did like an ab workout for like 5 minutes, and that was it. That was all I did. And then over time, once I started doing that regularly, Birdie saw that I was working out more regularly, and so she believed in me, and she got me a workout program, like a pretty expensive workout program, and that built up to the workout program that she got me built up to an hour each day. And so then after I finished that 8-week workout program, I was just used to doing an hour each day. So now I work out for an hour every day, which, by the way, I will be doing right after I make this video in Discord. We do Discord workouts every day at around 5 p.m. So if you'd like to come join, the link is down in the description. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, all the things, all the YouTube-y things. All right, the next tip number 3 is add healthy instead of taking unhealthy out. So one of the things that I hear the most, one of the like biggest struggles I hear people having is like, oh, but like, you know, I just don't want to give up ice cream. I don't want to give up pizza. And I think that you can trick yourself with psychology here. So you're never going to want to do something if you feel like you're losing something, right? But if you feel like you're gaining something, that is going to psychologically game you into actually doing it. So instead of thinking like, oh, like I don't want to stop eating my chocolate cereal in the morning. I love my chocolate cereal. Instead, just think about like adding good foods in. So instead of losing your chocolate cereal, just add in like a fruit salad with your chocolate cereal. And what'll happen is the more that you sort of like shove good stuff into your routine, the more bad stuff is going to fall out because you'll just be full. So just make a commitment. Add it into your system that you're going to start eating a vegetable with each meal. Okay? I'm not gonna have any meals where I don't have a vegetable or like a fruit or a vegetable. And it'll really start making a difference. You'll notice things just naturally starting to fall off. I know that with Birdie, I've sort of started doing this with her, and she'll have moments where she'll eat something that she's been eating for years, and she'll eat something, and she'll go, "Does this taste weird to you?" And it'll be like a potato chip or whatever, and I'll taste it, and I'll be like, no, it just tastes like a potato chip. And she'll be like, it tastes weird to me. I'm like, you know why, right? And she's like, no, shut up, I don't want to. And it's because her body is naturally starting to reject the junk food. Like it just doesn't, because that stuff doesn't naturally taste good. We're just so used to it. The stuff that naturally tastes good is like a delicious tasting apple, you know? So yeah, add healthy instead of taking unhealthy out. Next is healthy and delicious are not mutually exclusive. So this is another thing that I hear a lot, and it drives me crazy when people are like, I just want to eat something good. And I'm like, dude, you can have something that is absolutely delicious and really healthy for you. And it doesn't even take an adjustment period. Like, you don't have to learn to think that steamed kale is delicious. You can cook delicious meals that are easy, by the way, that taste absolutely delicious. And if you would like to know about some of those meals, you can check this little thing that'll pop up right over here, and it'll walk you through how to make an absolutely delicious meal, and it's really good for you. And the last tip is to start now. So most people, the biggest mistake that they make is that they set goals rather than creating systems. So when you set a goal, it's just an idea that you have, that you want to do, that you're gonna start eventually. Whereas creating a system is you build yourself a routine. You build something that you do every day, and that accomplishes your goal in the long term. That's the way to do it, because goals you can fall off of. Systems, they're built into your life, and they drive you forward, and you end up achieving goals faster by building the system rather than setting the goal. So don't think like, okay, like I'm gonna start tomorrow. I'm gonna start doing good tomorrow, and I'm gonna lose 50 pounds or whatever. I wouldn't even focus on weight anyway. I would just focus on being healthy, because fitness is a journey, not a marathon. So start now and build a system rather than setting a goal. All right, those are my 5 top tips. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like it, subscribe, comment, all the YouTube-y things. Let me know if you think I left something out here. Let me know down in the description. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and let me know if you think that I am glossing over something. Like, if there's some struggle that you're having that I'm missing, let me know, because I would love to talk about it. I would love to talk about it, like in videos, in person, in an interview. I think that'd be super cool. So just let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much. And as always, these videos would not be possible without the help of our amazing patrons. So I just want to give a quick thank you, starting at our Kraken tier, to PW Self, Jimmy B1100, The Deadman 1362, and Kirby Ninja. Next, at our Octo tier, thank you to Juggy, Spookers, Supergirl Jess. At our Cuttlefish tier, thank you to Shiso Sandy, Chris Fortuna, Baby Blueser, Saber, Capum, Hot Cocoa Maker, Cuttlefish Mermaid, and Bear Hat. And finally, at our Tentacle tier, thank you to Charmander, Eyes of Ashes, and AMC. This is particularly special right now because I'm recording this video on the 1st of December. And it is the first is when all of the patron payments come out, and so it's when I get my patron payout, essentially, and that patron payout literally helps me like get my groceries and pay my bills. It's not my full-time gig, but it does supplement my income, so it's really special and valuable to me. So I just want to give a special thank you today to patrons, because going to the grocery store and knowing that y'all are helping me to do that is just like makes my heart fill up with all the fuzzy feelings. So thank you so much. I really am grateful and appreciate you. And if you would like to become a patron yourself, you can check the link down in the description. It starts at $1 a month. There's all sorts of cool perks. There's lots of free content on there as well if you'd like to check that out. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. It's been lovely talking with you all. I will see you all around. Have a great night. Bye.